That's
But
right.
here's the flip side. On the other side of the coin, Uber's fighting for you too, but they're fighting for you on Uber Crew.
Guess what, people? With Brandon Black, my interview for Uber Crew is tomorrow at 10 a.m. Wish me luck. I hope I make it, because I made it through the first cut. I had to upload a video. I had to answer questions, so I made it through the first cut. Okay? So this is the email I got, and then I immediately did my Zoom call appointment with Brandon Black. We'll see you, Brandon, tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time.
Can we
I'm going to be very nice, very cordial until I make it to the Uber Crew. Then I'm going to fucking blow that place up.
Shh, don't say that. Don't worry.
It's
Uber
good,
Crew is done by
good,
a third party, so it's not
it'll
even done by
content, it'll be such great content. Oh my God. All those 500
we'll have to compare notes
over there.
well, you know what? We're going to compare notes, because I did Lyft Driver Advisory Council back in 2019.
You did it.
So I've already done this. I know what it's like. I'm gonna wait so we can compare notes between Lyft and Uber.
Yeah. Hey, everybody, keep your fingers crossed. Let me make this. Okay. Make Uber Crew, straighten that shit up over there with 500 Kool-Aid drinkers over there. I don't care if I last
here's the deal,
bro. Huh?
Here's the deal. When you're on Uber Crew, because you're selected as an Uber Crew member, I am going to live stream the town hall from Uber Crew that you're leading.
Yes. Great. Oh my God. That's a great idea. So I will even put, I don't think they wear Uber jackets and shit, do they? The hats and stuff? No. I don't know. So tomorrow morning is my appointment, and I hope I make the Uber Crew. Okay. So I can go in there and say, "You fools." No, I'm going to be very, very polite. I'm going to help a bunch more drivers, just like I did with getting him the money. And I'm going to go actually volunteer to work for Uber Crew. And I'm going to make sure, though, I speak my mind, obviously. So I'm becoming an insider now, Chris.
Sort of.
That's as close as Uber I'm going to get.
Sort of. Is anybody in chat, have you been part of the DAC or the crew, the Uber Crew? I don't think there's anybody.
I don't think so. They wouldn't lower themselves to that level. They wouldn't.
Well, either way, I'm just curious, but yeah, we're gonna compare notes, because it'll be interesting to see. And I already know. I mean, I already know what it is and what it's about and what you can and absolutely cannot do. So it'll be fun to see.
I gotta make it first. Let me make it first, and then I'm gonna celebrate, and then I'm gonna go to work.
Nice.
All right.
Well, keep us posted. Let us know how it goes tomorrow. We want to know. So we'll have to know next week what ends up happening, if they've let you know by then. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.